Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're trying a new kind of camera angle for an unboxing. So today we are unboxing, as you probably already saw, the Fire HD7. I guess not the HD, but it's a $49 tablet for, like, young kids who are just getting, like, kids' first tablet or something. It's not a bad device, but you'll see what I mean when I unbox it. So, let's get into it. Just pull. It's actually like a bag. You can tell it's a $50 tablet, and they know what you're going to use it for. It's easy to open. Here's like all the little, here's a little charger and stuff like that. And then here's the tablet itself. I got mine in blue. Maybe asking why, I have an iPad, why am I getting this cheapy little thing? Here's why. My grandmother is in the nursing home, and we've been seeing her in months because of the pandemic. So my mom came up with an idea of why don't we get her just some cheapy little tablet to, like, FaceTime her. I guess not FaceTime, but Skype her, because it doesn't get on FaceTime. And that was a really good idea, so we're trying it. Smells good. So basically, Skype has an auto answer feature, so you can have it auto answer you as opposed to, having somebody pick up. So, like, let's assume she's incapacitated. She can't talk, speak, or move very well. So now I can finally talk to her again. This is actually better than the Kindle Fires that I remember. It's got front and rear cameras. Ooh. Just not take off the wrapping from it. We actually got one for my mom, too. The plastic's actually matte. I was kind of expecting some kind of, like, something like a gloss. Cord. It's micro USB, so no USB-C, whether or not you wanted it. Personally, I think it's fine either way. They're gonna charge pretty much just the same. They taped this thing weirdly. Like, oh, I see. You just pull it off. I swear I'm smart. Smart. It's about 3 feet long, the cord is. And the tablet itself. It's not a bad device. I'll say that. The power brick, it's smaller than I remember Amazon power bricks being, and probably not as fast because it's smaller, but this is for $50. What are you gonna do? I mean, I'm gonna be honest, this is a great thing for, like, a younger sibling or parents if your kid's been complaining that they want a tablet for, like, years now, and you're finally ready to give in, but you don't want to spend $300 on a device for them to shatter instantly. This thing's great. It's $50. They'll be happy with it, and there's some great cases for it that make it pretty much a tank. Oh, that felt good. So, yeah. I'm not sure. This thing has 16 gigs. This is the $49 one. I love this blue color. I'm going to do the rest of the video from, if I can get it to prop up, that camera angle so you can see everything on the screen. Let's try it. My mom's opening up her. Oh, it does have some battery in it. Amazon logo. I actually have like a real bona fide Kindle. Fire. It's a really good thing. My Kindle, like my actual real e-reader, is... Mine's much more expensive than this, but it's also a better device. It's... Alright. Well, come on. The in view. Just welcome. I'm gonna pick... Okay, this camera angle sucks. Give me a minute to fix it. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm back. Autosave photos and videos? No. I clicked no. Save? Yeah. Location services? You know what's fine. Continue. Meet your Fire tablet.
From watching movies and reading books
God, this
to
speaker's
asking
awful.
Alexa for the weather, there are lots of ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music or movies, make calls, check the news or your commute, and more. Just say Alexa to get your tablet's attention. Alexa, of clouds with a high 49 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
I don't
Make
actually
video
listen.
calls to friends and family. Alexa, call Mom. Calling Mom. And find what you want to watch. Alexa, show me action movies. Here's what I found.
What is this? It's a minute and 36 seconds.
If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you get
You
unlimited
don't.
access to
Well, I
thousands of
don't.
movies and TV shows, over 2 million songs, and even select books, comics, and magazines that you can borrow at no additional cost.
Borrow.
And with For You, a page of curated content personalized to your tastes, it's easy to discover new things. Create kid-friendly profiles on your tablet. Amazon Free Time lets you manage available content, customize time limits, set educational goals, and review activity. Plus, parents can rest assured that kids can't make in-app purchases without permission. Enjoy your new Fire tablet.
I'm not adding a child. Who uses this Fire? Robbie Linder. I'll keep the guest account. You never know, I might need somebody to... I don't need a child. I don't have children. Gonna end. While I do that, yeah, I mean, the way that these things are so cheap is it gives you ads when it's closed. When it's off, it gives you, like, ads and stuff, and... No thanks, continue without Prime. No thanks. Some free ones. I don't think I want that. I mean, later I'll get it. Obviously, it's free. Download free apps and games. No. And I guess that's it. Now on my Fire tablet. Welcome. I don't need a tutorial, but fine. Let's see what it does. You can see I'm not all that. Silk browser. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, that's actually a book that I have. This actually has, like, books that I might actually keep. Simply swipe up. I think I've already scratched this plastic screen, like, twice. Exit. I don't need the rest of this.
Hello. Alexa is on your tablet.
Okay, cool. I'll enable it.
Try it now. Ask, Alexa, what?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Plymouth, there's a winter storm warning in effect Sunday, February 7th, 7 a.m. to Monday, February 8th, 1 a.m. The current weather is 42 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 25 degrees. By the way, I can learn your voice to improve your Alexa experience. Would you like to try it?
Not now. So, that's it. Also, today's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. There will either be a smartwatch or an iPhone unboxing on the way, like in the next week, and check out my latest music video. I just put out a first song that I wrote myself. No more copyright claims from, like, everybody. So, and it's already getting hot. This tablet's already hot. Okay. So, yeah, that is the Kindle Fire 7. Check out my latest music video. It's, Inside World. It's not the best, but I like it, and I will be back soon with another unboxing.